Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Just want to do a quick review on this light that I've been using for my interior details. My garage is pretty dim, so I needed to see better, so I came across this light on Amazon for less than 100 bucks. I think it was well worth it. I've been using it for a week and it's really come in handy. Here's a quick unboxing how it came shipped to me. The light has two power modes, a low and a high. I've only had to use it on the low mode. I haven't had the opportunity to really use it on the high because the low is bright enough for me. If you pay attention to the sides, they're retractable. That's how you put them in a vehicle, if you hang it from one door to the next. So in the box itself came extra clamps and the charger. So here's just a quick demonstration how the light is held. As you can see, there's a rubber or foam piece at the end that won't scratch the paint. And there's the on and off switch, is a low and high. As you can see, on the low mode, it illuminates the whole front interior. Sorry for that glare. This is my own personal vehicle. Yeah, I know the floor mats are dirty. It's still winter time here and snow and salt are still all over the ground. Here's an example of looking into the engine bay. Now it's pitch black out and this is only on the first low mode, and you can see it illuminates the whole engine bay with no problem. I'll put the link in my description for you guys to check it out if you're interested. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts on this light, if you already have it and if you like it or not. Comment below. Thank you. I'll see you on the next one.